Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Equinox, a compact SUV that's been reimagined for modern drivers. With bold styling, a tech-loaded interior, and Chevy's latest safety innovations, the 2025 Equinox aims to raise the bar in its segment. Whether you're shopping for a dependable daily driver or a stylish family SUV, the Equinox might be the perfect fit. Let's check it out in full detail. Body panels. The 2025 Equinox gets a complete exterior makeover. The body panels are sharper, more muscular, and designed to look sleek without sacrificing practicality. Its athletic stance is complemented by strong shoulder lines and sculpted doors that improve both aerodynamics and aesthetics. High-strength steel keeps the structure rigid yet lightweight, which enhances fuel efficiency and safety. Headlights. At the front, the Equinox features ultra-slim LED headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights that wrap around the corners of the fascia. These lights not only offer exceptional nighttime visibility but also give the SUV a modern and assertive look. Adaptive lighting is available in higher trims, adjusting the beam based on steering angle and speed. Taillights. Around back, the taillights are redesigned into a sleeker, more horizontal layout with a smoked finish. The full LED taillights ensure you're visible in any condition while emphasizing the vehicle's wider and more planted stance. The turn indicators are integrated into the light bar, blending style and function seamlessly. Grille. The front grille is bolder than ever. A large, blacked-out hexagonal grille with chrome accents defines the new face of the Equinox. It's aggressive but refined, clearly showing off Chevy's latest design evolution. Behind the grille sits active shutters that open and close to improve aerodynamics and engine efficiency on the highway. Seats. Inside, the 2025 Equinox offers a refined seating experience. The front seats are power adjustable, heated, and available with ventilation in higher trims. Chevrolet uses premium cloth or leather, depending on the variant, with contrast stitching for added flair. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and a recline function, perfect for long road trips. Dashboard. The dashboard is fully redesigned with a minimalist yet futuristic approach. A clean, horizontal layout spans the cabin, with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting integrated seamlessly. A digital driver information cluster blends perfectly with the center touchscreen, giving you all vehicle info in one sleek glance. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is a large 11-inch touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa integration. The interface is responsive and customizable, and with available 4G LTE Wi-Fi, everyone stays connected on the go. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel comes with mounted controls for audio, phone, cruise control, and even paddle shifters on sportier trims. It's heated in upper trims, perfect for cold mornings, and can be adjusted for tilt and telescopic movement to ensure the ideal driving position. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Equinox comes standard with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 175 horsepower and 203 pounds-feet of torque. It's mated to a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers balanced performance and fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available for those who want more capability. Hybrid option. For the first time, Chevrolet introduces a mild hybrid variant of the Equinox. This 48-volt hybrid system assists the engine during acceleration, helps smooth out stop-start operation, and recovers energy during braking. It's not a full EV, but it significantly improves fuel economy and makes city driving feel more refined and responsive. Airbags. Safety is a top priority, and the Equinox doesn't hold back. It comes with 8 standard airbags, including front, side, curtain, and even knee airbags for front occupants. The airbag system is engineered to deploy intelligently based on the severity of the impact, ensuring maximum protection. Parking assist. Parking is made easy with rear and front parking sensors, a high-resolution 360-degree surround view camera, and automatic park assisting top trims. These systems help guide you into tight spots and alert you to nearby obstacles, making urban driving much less stressful. Price. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox starts around $29,000 for the base trim and goes up to around $39,000 for the fully loaded RS or Premier trims. With all the features packed in, especially the tech and safety offerings, it remains one of the most competitively priced compact SUVs in its class. And that's a wrap on the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. From its bold redesign and modern tech to its fuel-efficient powertrain and comprehensive safety suite, the Equinox checks all the right boxes. If you're in the market for a stylish, capable, and family-friendly SUV, this one definitely deserves a spot on your short list. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and drop a comment letting us know what feature impressed you most. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.